to get a snapshot touch today of some of the things we do in the program that do just that, try to inculcate a winning spirit, striving for excellence, and not quitting no matter how tough things might seem, no matter what the case. A little bit about it, built in 1910. President Eisenhower arrived on campus in 1911 and graduated in 1915, and we all know. And what we're going to show you today is this one small snapshot from that course, and it's the indoor obstacle course test.
We really appreciate you showing guys.
Yeah, thank you for coming.
Yeah, well, thank you for doing that. That's a remembrance of our day together. All right? Great. Thanks, buddy. All right, John. Thanks, buddy. All right. Thank you all.
Thank you.
And so you can see what the award celebrates over here on the left, and on the right you can see Coach K's bio. We still need to update it. I think that's still a Beijing photo on the bottom. We still need to get London up there, and then we're going to need to get Rio up there down the road here on deck.
All right.
Yeah.
This guy's the top of the guy.
On that side, this is Nick Hoffman, and hockey players are great. Stay at school, so you know tension is high. People are stressed out, but this is awesome. People are really excited to have you guys here. So this is a nice break from our daily activities. What you're about to see is one of our regiments doing their lunch formation. So this is 3rd Regiment, the Wolf Pack behind us that's forming up. We do these formations every day for lunch. Every day, rain, shine, snow, sun, whatever it is, we do.
James Harden, 7th grade, Coach K. This is the class of 1969. Please give them a warm West Point welcome.
$1 million view. So right now, thanks, Ralph. I appreciate it. Coaches right there. From high school. Anybody back in history? So he was a trader. He tried to sell West Point to the Brits. But so as you know, we're on the Hudson River right now. Their host armies. So places like Chad, places like Rwanda. I mean, we have all kinds of countries that are sending people here for 4 years. And then additionally, we have an exchange program. So you